So this video is meant to show you how to set up an appointment once you are in our new software, Penji. So you can see I have selected I am a writer. You're all signed in, and you can see that there are a few options at this point. You can schedule an in-person appointment. This takes place in Ekstrom Library at our main location. You can schedule a 50-minute written feedback appointment. This is where you'll send us a paper and we will send you back some feedback on ways that you can improve the paper. The more information you give us, the better when setting up those appointments. Or you can set up a 50-minute Teams appointment. And so I will walk you through the 50-minute in-person appointment here, and then we can kind of go from there. So the first thing you'll do is pick a topic. And so for our software, you'll pick whether this is an undergraduate course, application materials, journal articles, a personal project, a project for graduate school, or general writing help. Now, there's a lot more that we will work with, but those are the main areas that we see in our services. So I will pick an assignment. You'll see then that the calendar will populate. And so we'll just say I pick June 4th. And so I can make 10 a.m. on June 4th. I'll select. And so here, the population of consultants that we have available at that time and in person will come up. So here I'll select them. They'll have a bio and Ekstrom Library 132. Topic, course, time, consultant, complete. At that point, you'll get an email from us and a couple of reminders. And then here in your main page, you will have the appointment that you've made and a list of all of your activity by week, by day. And so that is it for scheduling an appointment. Thank you so much for your help and for your work. Have a good one.